everyone, so we're going to be doing the month of April Birchbox. Try it again. Boxycharm. And this is the absolute last box that we're going to be doing for the entire year until all of this chaos is over with. So I will see you guys in the video and stay tuned. Alright guys, so like with my wow, I cannot talk today. Like with my March box, my April box has seen better days with the card. Now unfortunately there's... oh, I stand corrected. There was just a coupon attached to it, so never mind. So they do have the what's in here and everything like that, so I can refer to it later. That would be great. But they do have these coupons in here, or at least what's coming up for specific things later. So if anybody likes going to Misguided Cute Clothes, the valid code is good from April 15th to May 15th. Let's see, what's the valid? What is the code? Oh, you use code BOXY55. So you guys like Misguided Clothes from misguided.com. Just go use the code BOXY55. You get 55% off of your next order. It's not sponsored. It's just literally what they sent me. So if you can see that, the code's down here. This is the website. This is the branded name. The website's down here somewhere. So if you guys like those clothes or want to go check that out and use that coupon, you're more than welcome to. I'm not going to. Let's see. And then the other item in here that they gave was about the MakeUp eraser. Now, Birchbox used to sell it. They stopped using it for whatever reason. This is good from April 1st to May 8th. I don't think I'll be using it, so use code BOXY20 for the makeup eraser and you get 20% off of your box, or your eraser. And the code is right here. So yeah, I'm not going to be using them, so might as well let somebody use them. Alright, inside the month of April, the inside is this very nice kind of gray color. I don't know if you can see that. The foam is the same color, so you push that down. And of course it just has a standard Boxycharm right here, but it is kind of neat how they changed the color of the box this year. The last few boxes have been the traditional black and white kind of concept. But yeah, the foam is the same color. If I can get this to prop open, that'd be great. Alright, first item we have is the IGK, and is the Good Behavior. It's a protein smoothing spray. Let's see, keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control. It heat protects up to 450. Nice. So yeah, so you get this. It's vegan and cruelty and gluten free. The UV protection, petrol talum or something like that, and mineral oil free, paraben free, sulfate free, SLS or SLES. So that's the can. It is completely full size like most Boxycharm items are. Alright, lipstick we got in here is from Nude Sticks. It is the Magnetic Lip Plush Paint Gel Tint. What is it? You're in Waikiki Rose. So that is the color right here. It looks like it's more of a nude kind of color. I mean, it says Nude Sticks on it, but... oh, that's kind of neat. I thought it was a squeezy tube. So we got that there. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. Let's see if I can get this to... there. So there. color a little bit. Sorry, it's a little washed out, but here's the packaging. So it's supposed to match that. Looks like a color I'll use quite a bit. Alright, so the next one we have is the Water Cloud Primer from Cover FX. Ooh. There we go. Cover FX. Now I'm blind, can't see. Light is too bright. Open. Thank you. And then the packaging is like this. It looks like it's supposed to be a moisturizing primer. It does come with a safety seal, so you can't just immediately see it. No, I'm not going to open it right now. So there's that. Let's see if it has any, where'd it go? Any information about it. Okay, so it's a cooling mousse primer that instantaneously refreshes the complexion and defends the skin against pollution and blue light. Okay. Enriched with a plankton extract that helps work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day long. So that's kind of nice. Alright, next one we have is from Pharmacy, and is their Honey Potion. It's renewing antioxidant hydrating mask. So it comes like this. Looks very cute. It's got like the little bee honeycomb up here, and on the bottom it's got a little gold dripping honey on the corner there. Come on. There we go. Farm cultivated, scientist activated is what it says on the inside there. It says pharmacybeauty.com. Oh, that's neat. The top of the lid's magnetic, but you get this little tiny metal, I guess, spoon thing. And then the actual pot is like this. It's glass. And the top is a wood kind of texture, and like, look, watch right. Bam. Not coming off. Like, that is cool. Alright, so this does have one of those little safety things. Oops. As I drop it. Okay, it has one of those little safety things like most things do now. But my nose would work. It's got kind of like a caramelly kind of smell to it in a sense. But the inside of it, the outside of it, all over around it, it looks like that. It looks just like, kind of like honey. Not necessarily like the honey you would use in your peanut butter sandwiches, but it does look like a type of raw honey. So that's very nice. I'm going to be very excited to try this out. I didn't even know they had this. You do use it for about 15 minutes, so that is very cool. Alright, next item. Yeah, next item is Greengrass. Oh, it's for beach hair. It came in this little baggie. Alright, so, oh, it's glass. That's kind of cool. Keeping this bottle. Alright, so that is what it looks like. It is a glass bottle. Let's see, what are you for? This fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous. Beach hair. What? Oh, beach air. It's a fragrance. I can't read. Alright. Quickly penetrates, leaving skin moisturized and soft, luminous without feeling greasy. Spray the massage oil directly into your skin. For hair, spray oil onto your palms, rub it through. Okay, so it is a hair, skin, whatever you want it to be. It's a fragrance. Inspired by Greece. It's got bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, heliotrope, and musk. I actually like that. It's very, very nice. So it's a very light fragrance, but it's very nice. So that is definitely going to be used because it's very, very, very nice. Alright, so they super foamed the entirety of my box, so there wasn't very much in there. Out of my way. Okay, so this is the last item. It is from Natasha Denona, super known brand. You're in Dark Berry 14 and 2202. So it looks like there's two different colors. Yeah, it's a duo palette. So yeah, there's two different colors. So one it is 22 and that's an 02, and then number 14 is Dark Berry. This is the outside of the palette. It's kind of cute. And you open it up, and so I'm assuming that this is the tutu and this is the dark berry because that makes sense, otherwise it'd be really weird. But they look like very nice colors. The tutu does have a slight shimmer to it. They're very soft. Let's see if I can't pick up a little more. I don't know if you see that. No, so on me it does not show up at all, really. Okay, so that one does not show up. Let's see. And then, okay, so the tutu's here above the red, and then here's the red. So the red definitely shows up. It is something that you can definitely blend out to be softer. See how it kind of disappears right there. So it is very nice. It is a type of blush I would use. The other one, I don't know. I might use it for an eyeshadow. But a very cute palette either way. It does feel very soft and chalky in a sense, but soft nonetheless. But that is it for the April Boxycharm. I keep wanting to say Birchbox for some reason. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. You like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely let you know how some of these items work because I plan on using them during all of the boredom I have. So, see you guys later.